side to front tees. This is great for somebody who's a beginner, and you're just gonna be keeping a constant motion with that shoulder, hitting every single angle that we can go through, right? We wanna go nice and slow, get a good burn with it. A lot of times I'll encourage people to set it more for a time than repetition. If you're going for time, go 30 to 60 seconds. If you're going for repetition, aim for 10 to 15 of these. So we're going up, nice and slow, hit that parallel to the floor, come all the way in front, coming down, like so, and then we're just reversing that. So come back up, out to the side, and down. You're hitting every angle on the shoulder. This is a great one either to warm up with or to finish with. Get a good burn by the end of it, and you'll be ensured that you hit every muscle fiber in that shoulder. Hope this helps. I'll catch you in the next video.